Are you ready to make money online in 2024? Imagine leveraging the power of AI and ChatGPT to generate real income from anywhere in the world. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful ways you can start earning online using AI tools like ChatGPT. Stay tuned until the end because I'll also share bonus tips on how to automate your income streams for long-term success. First, let's talk about what AI, specifically ChatGPT, can do for you. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is an advanced language model that can generate human-like responses, create content, solve problems, and even help you automate your business. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps. Whether you're a content creator, freelancer, or a small business owner, ChatGPT and other AI tools can help you streamline your work and, most importantly, make money online. One of the easiest ways to start making money online is by offering freelance services. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are full of opportunities. With ChatGPT, you can offer services like copywriting, email marketing, script writing, or even customer support. The best part? You don't need to spend hours researching or writing. You can use ChatGPT to generate content quickly and fine-tune it to meet client expectations. Here are a few tips for getting started as a ChatGPT-powered freelancer. Specialize in a niche. Offer services like blog writing or product descriptions. Use ChatGPT to speed up your workflow, generating drafts, editing, and revising content in minutes. Always add a personal touch. ChatGPT is powerful, but make sure the final product aligns with the client's voice. Now, if you love creating content, AI can help you level up your game. ChatGPT can generate engaging social media captions, blog posts, and even YouTube scripts. The key is to create valuable content quickly and consistently, something every influencer or content creator knows is crucial for success. You can use ChatGPT to create content calendars, SEO-optimized blog articles, and social media posts with ease. This will save you hours, allowing you to focus on growing your audience and monetizing your channels. Some platforms even allow you to sell pre-written content or offer ghostwriting services. Don't want to show your face on YouTube? No problem. You can build a faceless YouTube channel in 2024 with ChatGPT. You don't even need to appear on camera. ChatGPT can help you generate video ideas, write complete scripts, and even suggest content formats. Imagine uploading 2 to 3 high-quality videos per week, completely automated. All you need is a voiceover, some stock footage, and you're ready to go. YouTube monetization has never been easier, and with AI, you can turn your channel into a passive income stream. Another powerful way to make money online using AI is by creating and selling digital products. ChatGPT can help you write ebooks, create online courses, or design templates for others to use. You can sell these on platforms like Gumroad, Udemy, or even Etsy. The demand for educational content and digital products is only increasing, and AI can help you produce them quickly and efficiently. Here's the cool part. You don't need to be an expert in every niche. ChatGPT can help you research topics, create content, and even format it professionally. And here's the bonus I promised. The key to long-term success is automation. With tools like ChatGPT, you can automate your emails, content creation, and even customer interactions. You can set up systems that generate income while you sleep, from affiliate marketing to digital product sales. The more you automate, the more time you'll have to focus on scaling your business or even starting new ventures. So, if you're serious about making money online in 2024, AI and ChatGPT are your ultimate tools. From freelancing to content creation, faceless YouTube channels, and more, the opportunities are endless. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on how to grow your income online. Don't forget to drop a comment below with your favorite method to make money using AI.